local events, local reenactments, storytelling, that we could bring it into the schools, into the libraries.
Translations of our existing place names and street names.
Perhaps the pubs could go back to the 1916 prices as well, but I don't think that's going to happen.
Quirky stories of what happened in the 1916 Rising.
We have someone on our table who's written a play about women of 1916.
Consideration of the international view.
We're talking about ideas that can make Ireland better, and it's fun.
I think it's good to focus more on the future than on the past, because what matters is what we do next.
The event will be inclusive, all people, all ages, all nationalities.
There is a sense of pride in where we've come, and even more pride, God willing, in where we're going to.